If you're working with multiple teammates in your Airtable base, you may be looking for a way to assign records to specific people so everyone knows what they're responsible for. In this video, I'll show you how to create Collaborator fields, delegate tasks to different teammates in Kanban view, create filtered views for different teammates, and use linked records to assign tasks. Let's use this team workload planning base as an example. If this base is shared with your entire team, you can use a Collaborator field type to tag them in the tasks that they're responsible for. A Collaborator field allows you to select one or more names from an automatically generated drop-down list of all of the collaborators with whom your base is shared. Select the relevant collaborator from the list to assign the record to them. The team member will automatically be notified of this tag, so they can remain up to date on their responsibilities. It may be useful to group your records by a collaborator field, so your whole team can easily see who's responsible for what. Collaborator fields can also be used to organize the stacks in a Kanban board. This way, you can quickly delegate tasks to different team members by dragging them across stacks. Your team members can also create views that are filtered only to show the tasks that they're responsible for. Filters update automatically, so anytime a team member is added to or removed from a task, their view will stay up to date. Another option is to use a linked record field instead of a collaborator field to assign tasks. In this instance, you need to build a second table with your teammates' personal information. This solution can be helpful because your teammates can quickly reference important details about each other, like working hours and contact information. Once this table is set up, assigning tasks is as easy as creating a new linked record field and picking from your list of teammates. And if we switch over to the team table, you can see that a linked record field has automatically been created, and each person's tasks are already listed. Now we can use the team table not only to reference key details about each person, but also peek at all their tasks. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, be sure to check out our support articles, visit our community forum, or just drop us a line. Thanks for watching!